Hey, I'm Austin with Diesel Tech Magazine here at Adrenaline Performance in Shelley, Idaho with Manny, and we're installing the new Evans Coolant waterless system in our LBZ. We're super excited about it, and we'll tell you more as we do it. We're here, Evans cooling, about halfway through, draining it. It's super important that the coolant is completely out of the vehicle. If it's not, the coolant is not designed to mix with water. It causes some problems, so you have to use an air compressor and blow the coolant out of the truck and clean it out as best as possible, and then we'll put the prep fluid in order to prepare it for the waterless coolant. Hey, you're probably wondering why the truck is started inside the shop. With the prep fluid in the motor, it is important to start the truck and cycle the coolant system and get that prep fluid everywhere. So we're going to let it run for a couple minutes, cycle the whole system, and then we'll take a look at it from there and hopefully drain the prep fluid and then put the coolant in it. The truck has been ran idling for 15 minutes with the heat on, and now we're draining the prep fluid, and as you can see, it is slightly orange, which is a good sign. It's pulling out the extra coolant that was a little bit left behind. We'll drain this entire system, and it'll be rock solid. All right. Hey, we're back. We've got the prep fluid completely drained from the vehicle. We have blown it all out, and by we, I mean Manny. And now we're in the process of putting the high-performance waterless coolant in there. We're vacuuming it in. I just want to tell you guys some cool statistics with it, though. A normal coolant mixed at a 50-50 ratio only has a negative 34 degrees Fahrenheit freezing point, whereas Evans has a negative 40. And then the boil over point on a 50-50 is 265 degrees Fahrenheit, and this has 375 degrees Fahrenheit, the Evans. So it's in every way, freezing to boiling, it's got a much wider range, which will benefit your truck greatly. So we're excited to see it in the truck and see how it performs. Got the waterless coolant in the system. We're letting the truck run for 10 to 15 minutes. Super important to put the sticker on the cap. You cannot add water to this system now. So here we go. Putting her on there. This is now an official Evans coolant system. Yes, I put my jacket on. I know it's cold in here. The shop was open. We put the test strip in the coolant. We're letting it dry, and we will let you know where we stand as far as the water content of the coolant. So we waited the exact 2 minutes and 20 seconds, and our test strip fell directly in between 3% and 5%. It's a successful transfer. We're happy with that. It's a lot closer to the 3% than the 5%. Maybe we're super meticulous, but that's where we're at. So we had a great successful transfer thanks to Manny, and so thankful to the guys at Adrenaline here at Shelley for letting us borrow the shop and helping us out. It was awesome.